Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into Investec Bank app on your iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. Start by unlocking your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Make sure you have a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Open the Investec app. Tap on the Investec app icon on your home screen. You will be taken to the login screen. Step 3. Enter your login details. On the login screen, enter your username or client number. Type in your password carefully. If prompt, allow Face ID or Touch ID for faster future logins. Step 4. Complete security verification. You may be asked to approve the login Face ID, enter a one-time PIN OTP sent to your phone, confirm by the Investec ID or security prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Assess your account. Once verified, you will be logged in and taken to your Investec home dashboard where you can view account, check balance, make payments, manage investments. Step 6. Troubleshooting tip. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password. Follow the steps to reset securely. And that's it. You have successfully logged into Investec on your iPhone. For added security, always log out when using a shared device. And I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.